What exactly is data modeling, and why should you care? Think of it as the blueprint for your data. Just like architects design buildings, data modelers design how information is stored, connected, and accessed. Without a solid model, your data becomes a chaotic mess. Whether you're building an app or analyzing trends, a good data model ensures everything runs smoothly and efficiently. It's the foundation of every smart system. Let's talk relationships. No, not the romantic kind. In databases, relationships define how tables connect. There are three main types: one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. For example, one customer can place many orders. That's one-to-many. Understanding these relationships helps you avoid redundancy and ensures your queries return accurate results. It's like setting the rules of engagement between your data points. Get this wrong and your entire system can fall apart. Schemas are the skeleton of your database. They define the structure, what tables exist, what fields they contain, and how they relate. Think of a schema as a map that guides how data is stored and retrieved. A well-designed schema improves performance, simplifies maintenance, and scales better. It's not just about storing data, it's about storing it smartly. Without a schema, your database is just a pile of disconnected facts. Normalization is your best friend when designing schemas. It's the process of organizing data to reduce redundancy and improve integrity. For example, instead of storing a customer's address in every order, you store it once in a customer table. This makes updates easier and keeps your data consistent. But beware, over-normalization can hurt performance. The key is balance, clean structure without sacrificing speed, though. Normalize smart, not just hard. Ever heard of denormalization? It's the opposite of normalization and sometimes necessary. In high-red environments like dashboards or reporting tools, denormalizing data can speed things up. You might duplicate some data to avoid complex joins. It's a trade-off. You gain speed but risk inconsistency. The trick is knowing when to use it. Denormalization isn't bad, it's strategic. Use it when performance matters more than perfect structure. Naming conventions might sound boring, but they're crucial. Clear, consistent names make your schema readable and maintainable. Use singular nouns for table names, like user instead of users, and be descriptive with fields. Avoid abbreviations unless they're universally understood. Good naming saves time, reduces errors, and helps teams collaborate. It's like writing clean code. Future you and your teammates will thank you. Clarity beats cleverness every time in data modeling. Finally, always document your data model. A schema without documentation is like a map with no legend. Use diagrams, data dictionaries, and inline comments to explain your design. This helps new team members onboard faster and ensures your model evolves without confusion. Great documentation turns a good model into a great one. Remember, your future self and your team will rely on what you leave behind.